Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro. Can't wait to open it up and see how the phone is like, because last year I did get the iPhone 15 Pro, but I didn't want to keep it mainly because I felt that it really wasn't worth the price. So I'm wondering if this phone will replace my iPhone 14 Pro. I've had my iPhone 14 Pro for over 2 years now, and let's see, is this going to replace my phone or not? So starting from the front of the box, I will say I don't really like the front of the box, how it looks for the Pro models. I would much rather prefer how the back looks rather than the front, but that's completely okay. We get both, a little bit of both, and I think every year that's usually how it is. So let's go ahead and take a look at the box. The top and the bottom of the box have the Apple logo. The sides of the box say iPhone. On the bottom it says iPhone 16 Pro in white titanium, 256 gigs. On the top we have iPhone 16 Pro, designed by Apple in California. This phone includes the iPhone 16 Pro and a USB-C charging cable. However, the power adapter and headphones are sold separately, and this phone is actually hearing aid compatible. Let's go ahead and open this phone. It just doesn't feel the same as it used to be like when we would open. Wow. This phone looks incredible. The inside of the box also has like a indent so that the camera doesn't get damaged. I will tell you guys that the back of this phone looks so nice. The one on the right is the iPhone 16, the one on the left is the iPhone 16 Pro. They both look very, very similar, but I will say that the titanium looks definitely more white. However, this phone looks so nice. The back looks amazing. We have our 3 cameras, our sensor, microphone or speaker. I always forget which one it is. Then the flash. We have the Apple logo. On the right side of the phone, we have our camera button. We have the on and off switch. On the left side, we have the action button, volume up, volume down, as well as the SIM card tray. On the bottom, we have our USB-C port with our microphone and speaker, as well as 2 little screws. And on the top, we have 1 antenna band, 2 on the right side, 1 on the bottom, and another 2 on the left side. In total, we have 6 antenna bands. On the front of the phone, we have this screen protector that keeps the phone safe before we open it. It has a bell with a slash in it, a plus, a minus, a lightning symbol, a power symbol, and a camera symbol. Now that we've talked about the phone, let's take the screen protector off. Now let's turn the phone on. While we're waiting for the phone to turn on, let's talk about what is in the box. Of course, we have our charger. I wonder when Apple's going to get rid of the cables and just gonna leave the phones, no instructions, nothing. Because we're getting there. We've gotten rid of Apple stickers, we've gotten rid of the adapter, we've gotten rid of headphones. We've pretty much gotten rid of everything. So Apple, when are you gonna get rid of the cable? Then in here, it's a redesign of the box, because all you get is the cable and the instructions. We have no Apple sticker this year. That is why I am so upset, because I am a huge hardcore Apple sticker collector, and we're done. Those days are over and there's no more Apple stickers. And I don't think I'm the only one who feels this way, because you're spending so much money and the Apple sticker was kind of like some sort of joy. Like if you go back to my old videos, I would get so happy when I would see the Apple sticker. This year, I'm not very happy about it. Now that the phone is on, let's set it up. English, Canada, appearance can be default, medium, or large. I prefer default. Continue, quick start, set up without an Apple device. I'm gonna set up my internet and I'll be right back. Set up my internet and now it's telling me that it'll take a few minutes to activate the iPhone. So let's just wait. Data and privacy, continue. Set up iPhone, set up for myself. If you do want to read any of these, feel free to pause and read through it. Now Face ID, we can set it up right now. I do remember how Face ID used to be 2 times to confirm, but now it's only once. Create a password. I'm just gonna do 2 2s or 6 2s. And transfer your apps and data. I'm not gonna transfer yet. I don't have an account yet. I do, but we're gonna do that later. Set up later in settings. Terms and conditions, agree. Update your iPhone automatically. iMessage and FaceTime. Location services. Set up cellular. Screen time. iPhone analytics. Light or dark display. Oh, I forgot to pick. I'm gonna do auto because I like light in the morning and afternoon, and then I like dark in the evenings and night. It just depends on the mood and like the weather and how the environment is, I guess. Silent mode. And now we're gonna figure out what we're gonna make for our action button. The action button can be silent mode, it can be focus, it can be camera, flashlight, voice memo, recognize music, translate, magnifier, shortcut, accessibility, and no action. I'm gonna put it to silent mode. Let's go basic this time. Camera control, continue. This is the camera control over here. Siri, are we ready? Let's do it. I'm gonna select voice 1 or 2. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message.
To who?
Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes starting now.
Hey Siri, get directions home.
You'll need to unlock your iPhone.
Hey Siri, play some music.
Okay, here's the station just.
My Siri is going crazy. Siri is ready. Improve Siri and dictation. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. Now we're going to try 2 things before we end the video. First is our action control. So when we hold it, it's going to mute. You can tell from up here. And unmute. Then we have our camera button. When we click, it sets up. So when you click, it literally just takes you there. So unfortunately, we don't get an adapter anymore, so luckily I do have an adapter from my iPhone 14 Pro, so I don't have to buy one, but if you do not have the fast charging adapter, you do need to go get one because it doesn't come with one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!